Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcy Kendo. For those who are new, karibuni sana. So today we are going to do this here, right here. Oh my god, you know this is my... I remember 2029 I did an afro like this, but it was way curly, and that is then let's just start the video. You know, I love this hair already. So here is my braiding pattern now. For hii siku, this braiding pattern broke my hairstyle. Utaona huko mbeleni, but I asked my niece, as usual, I was being stingy, so it didn't come out the way I wanted, but we thank God nonetheless. Now I'm using the Marley Braid from Prima hair. So it comes, inaonekanaga kama yani like it's dense, but it's really light, as you can see here. Unaona hivyo. And one thing I like it's because I don't need to detangle the hair for me to use it. So how I'm going to use it, from kutoka huku nyuma mpaka mbele, I'm going to just separate one strand into two. That is what basically I'm going to be doing, like so. That's it. Now I feel like I have a lot of crochet videos on my channel, so I feel like at least mepata idea of how I crochet my hair. I don't have any unique style. It's the same, and this is what I've always been doing. So that's what I'm going to be doing until pale nitapofika karibu to my perimeters of my hair. But if you want a detailed a series of how to crochet from the types of braiding pattern, you can ask me to do it. So but for now I feel like you still have an idea of how to crochet. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right here. So nimefika hapa. So what I'm going to show you is that I'm going to continue with the same hairstyle mpaka hapo nilipoonyesha, and huko mbele ndo perimeters of my hair, so I'm going to do differently. So kama unavyoona hapa at the perimeters, yani karibu na perimeters na karibu, yani near the perimeters, and also at the perimeters of my hair, because the perimeter of my hair is normally weaker. So I would love to maintain, nisiweke a lot of weight on it. So what I do is I'm going to be separating into smaller strands. So basically what I'm going to be doing is nili separate into two. Sasa zile mbili nitazi separate nazo into two each. So zitatoka a total of 4 strands ambazo ndo ninatumia hapa, and then hata uko kwenye perimeters nita divide tena. Hizo 4 nitazigawa tena, and then zitakuwa how many? 1 2 3 4 8. Zitakuwa 8. So I think you get that. The more ninavyoenda kwenye perimeters, the more napunguza the strands thickness. That's what I'm going to do. So So I was saying that it broke my hairstyle. Unaona hapo, like kwenye my partition, it didn't really come out the way I wanted, but I think I'm gonna do another this almost the same hairstyle, and I'm going to show you using the best braiding pattern. First of all, this one was loose, and then it had so much space between it, so that's why it didn't come out the way I wanted, but otherwise I still loved it. You can just maneuver and then ijifiche. But so I found out the hair was really long, so what I did is I trimmed it kidogo, and then eventually I regretted. I felt like I wanted it longer after I cut it, but maji yakishamwagika hayazoleki mama, ndo hivyo tumejua, wahinga ndo wanasemaga hivyo. Anyways, tumependa nywele and I look kama kidosho as usual. So this is the final look on this hair. I love it. It reminds me of the time I did what is it called, Guess Girl from Angel's Hair, and the difference is it was an afro, same as this, but it was a little bit curly. Yeah, so, and I feel like it's both of them softer, but I feel like it's curly. It's way curly than this. This is more like a blowout. Yeah, so I love this. I'm in love. Also, I thought I'm gonna stay with it for only a few hours, but I feel like I should stay with it. Today is Friday. I'm going to stay with it for like until Monday, because tomorrow I'm not working. I'm just editing and whatnot, and then Monday I'm going back to creating content. So I'm going to stay with this until Monday. So my Sunday look. Yeah, so basically that's that. Another thing is this hair is very lightweight. Like you can just do this and your head won't feel like it's been imebeba mawe. Yeah, so it's very lightweight, and I love it because of that, and it is easy to separate when you're crocheting. But if this hair was a boy and a girl, hawatawaiachana. This hair inashikana, so it means that you will need shears to always cut your hair, because especially unaona kama huku these ends especially, yeah, you need to cut them like saws, but basically it attaches it. And also when you're separating them, because zinashikana sana, there should be more space between each hair strand. Yeah, but basically it's easy to separate, and yeah, so basically that's that. And what else, I can't remember the price, but before I know I always say this, that I'm going to put in the description box or here, but live, yeah, but basically I'm going to give you information on the pricing of this hair per pack. I used one pack and a few strands. Another thing is, have a very good foundation. When I'm talking about foundation, I mean like the cornrows huku chini ziwe nzuri. What I had was a little bit different from a person she's still learning, my niece. Yeah, so the foundation was not that great, but because I have a little bit of experience, I could work on that. But still, unaona kabisa kwamba my way is not that great, the way I would want it to be, but I made it work. Yeah, so that's that. And then another thing is how you sleep with this, because inajishikanisha sana. So what you're supposed to do is always at least tie it and then wear a bonnet so that isijitango, otherwise itakuwa poof like that. Yeah, so it can be flat like that, but you don't want that. So you can just tie it up, or you can braid it into twists, and then the next morning unai untwist. But personally, because I'm not staying with this hair for very long, I really do not care, so I won't do that. Yeah, but basically I'm telling you so that kwa wale ambao would want to stay with it for a long time, that's what you're supposed to do. Yeah, so basically that's that. I hope you loved this video. I hope you've learned something. If you have any question or an addition, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Yeah, so please subscribe, like this video, and if you have subscribed, please watch my videos. A lot of you don't watch videos, and yet you're subscribed to my channel. Yeah, so, and comment after you've watched. Yeah, so I think that's it. Until next time,
Ciao.